Hello everyone, I am Enki the Great and I will be teaching you how to use CAPCUT to the best of your potential. Okay, I will teach you how to basically edit your videos as best as possible. I will teach you how to make long videos into shorts, and I will teach you basically everything you need to know about how to use CAPCUT. Alright, if you guys want to learn anything about CapCut, just please follow me. I will be making a lot of these videos teaching you step by step how to edit your videos and how to add certain things to your videos. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, or feel free to ask anything. I'm willing to teach everybody. You don't have to pay me for it. I'm doing it completely free. And yeah, just follow me and like my videos, share them if possible, and I will teach you as much as I possibly can about this app, CapCut. Right, so as you can see, I already have something already made. Right, it's about a minute long, and basically, as you can see, I have my Enki the Great up here. Right, I'm gonna switch it because I don't really use that, so let's take this off, if anything. Let's see. How do I take this off again? Do I have to do this? Yeah, let's just do that. There we go. Alright, so. Yeah, it's a bit loud, but yeah. As you can see, you pick a font you want, right? So let's take this one. I will put Enki the Great. Okay, so boom, now that it's done, I'll just put it wherever I want to put it. Let's say I want to put it up here. Boom, I'll put it right there in the corner. Now I'll go to animation, right? And I will loop. Now, this right here can go because I don't need this one. So I'll delete that. Now I will make it longer, as long as the video, because I want it to be there throughout the whole entire video so people can know where to find me. So that's typically what I do. If you guys want to know anything else, I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial so to teach you how to use this app to the fullest. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message or leave a comment, okay? I can also teach you, I will also be teaching you streamlabs. If you guys want to learn how to stream on multiple platforms, I can teach you about streamlabs as well. All right. If you're interested in this, all you have to do is comment the word more streamlabs or more CapCut, whichever one you want more videos on. Let me know in the comment section and I will post them on. Okay. So this is just a quick introduction of what I'm going to start doing on my channel. All right. I am Enki the Great. If by any chance this video makes you smile or makes you feel good in any way, please consider following, sharing, and liking my videos, okay? I love you all, and I'll catch you on the next one.